Hey guys, welcome to WILDsides. Today we will be learning how to find the direction north. Let's get right to it. Wrong way. So there are 6 different ways to find the direction north. Way number 1. A compass is something that you should probably always carry when you're hiking out in the woods. Even your watch, sometimes watches have button compasses, sometimes even knives have compasses. Even your smartphone. Way number 2 is you can wake up really early like Alec and look for the sun. The very bright sun. So the reason why you wake up early to look for the sun is the sun always rises in the east. When the sun rises in the east, you put your right shoulder to the east. So with the sun, and then north is right in front of you. So you guys. Way number 3. You can wake up really late and wait for the sunset. So the sunset always sunsets in the west. So the sun rises in the east and it sets in the west. So now the sun should be on your left shoulder and the north is in front of you. Way number 4, you need a stick and a rock. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your stick and you're gonna put it right here into the ground or in between the boards. And what it's gonna do is it's gonna cast a shadow. Now you're gonna take your rock and you're gonna put it right at the very end of the shadow. So that is your first marker. And we will come back 30 minutes later. Well, that was really quick. Now we need one more rock. So what we're gonna do now is, as you can see, the shadow has moved from here to here. So we're going to take our second rock and place it where the shadow is now. The next step involves your feet. We are going to use our feet and place our left foot where we placed the first rock and our right foot where we placed the second rock. You always put your left foot on the first rock you placed and your right foot on the second rock you placed. And voila, we are facing north. Way number 5. So for this way, you're gonna need a bowl of water, a magnet, and a cork or anything that floats in the water, and a needle. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna fill your bowl up with water, which I have already done, and you're going to take your needle and stick it through a cork or your floaty device. Anything can work that floats. So like an acorn, if you can stick a needle through there, maybe even a piece of styrofoam, a piece of trash that you find hanging around. So now you're gonna grab your magnet, which you should obviously always have a portable fridge in your backpack. You can always pick that off. So what you're gonna do is you're going to stick your needle through your floaty device and just rub it at least 20 times back and forth. Okay, now that we have done that, you're going to set it in the water and the needle should go north. So that way is north. Way number 6, we need it to be nighttime. So another way we can find the North Star at night is Zane has developed this contraption of poking holes into this folder and then shining them onto this dark surface. So as you can see, these were supposed to represent stars. So these 2 stars, this is the Big Dipper by the way, these 2 stars right here, if you kind of line them up, it's supposed to point to the North Star. As you can see, the way they're kind of facing up, that there's a little line, that right there is the North Star, which should be right above it. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed learning how to find the direction north. My name's Jack. Be nimble, be quick, and I'll see you next time. Wrong way again. There are 6 different ways to find the direction north. About 20 times. So those of you who don't know your east, north, west, and south,